Welcome to the Understanding the Fieldwork assignment class. This presentation will guide you through how to do the fieldwork, which is actually called the theory to practice observation. It's worth 20% of your grade and it's due April 28th. So the idea behind this is that you're going to take the learning theories that we're going over in class and observe a classroom for a total of 6 hours. You will observe children in the classrooms and you'll not interact with them. You're going to take a lot of field notes about what you see, the setting, what the teacher did, etc., and then relate your observations about the instruction to at least 3 learning and/or motivational theories. So the theories that you see here listed in bullets are the ones that you must use. Constructivism is not a theory, it's a way to teach. It's based on theory, but these are the theories that you must select from. So when you're observing, you're going to be taking lots of notes about what teachers are doing and students are doing in response. And if you think of a way you can connect them to one of these learning theories, you might just jot off on the side, Kohlberg ? For example. Specific components of your paper should include the following. You should write up the context of the observation, the date, the number of hours you observed, the grade level, the school, the location, the number of students, boys, girls, special education, etc. So just a few paragraphs about the context. Teaching activities that you observed in the classroom. This should not be the bulk of your paper. Again, it should not be the bulk of your paper. What I've gotten in the past is detailed write-ups about the teaching that you see going on, but not very much on the bulk, which is in the next bullet. This should be the bulk, a discussion of how these activities relate to the 3 specific learning theories or theories of motivation. So you want to do maybe a page or 2 of what was going on in the classroom, but then more pages on, okay, well, how did that relate to Kohlberg? How did that relate to Skinner? How did that relate to Bandura, for example? The last thing is a description of what you learned in this assignment. That's a reflection. It should be more than a conclusion. So you might want to think about what you learned, what surprised you, what misconceptions you had that you cleared up, what you took away that you could use in your classroom. A reflection, again, is more than just a conclusion. You're going to upload your paper to Blackboard, and then you're going to complete the task stream fieldwork forms, parts 1 and 2. You don't have to upload your paper to task stream for this assignment. You only upload your paper to Blackboard and the fieldwork forms you complete in task stream. The grading rubric is in the syllabus, so you can see number 1 talks about the context, number 2, the specific classroom activities. The 3 learning theories are described, so you need to show me that you understand what the learning theory states. 4, that activities are related to at least 3 of the theories. 5, how well does your paper reflect on learning? And 6, whether it follows proper writing conventions, your spelling, your grammar, your APA format. And then yes, finally number 7, you get points when you upload your fieldwork log or when you fill it out on task stream. So that is it for the assignment, and as always, if you have questions, please feel free to email me.